Let's shape a dragon from this watermelon. First, take a slice and use a small stick to shape it from top to bottom, just like the instructions. Gently remove the extra parts to form the dragon's head. Now continue shaping the body. Now let's shape the stem of this mustard green beautifully. Start with the middle part, then remove the top. Continue with the bottom part using vertical lines. Now place it in water. Look at those elegant wing-like shapes it creates. Pick a small watermelon that fits your hand. Let's shape it together. Create eyes, then arms. Take those parts out, flip the watermelon over, and continue using the base. Scoop out the red part, then we'll work on the green rind. Take a block of tofu and gently divide the top into sections as shown. Then do the same in the opposite direction, creating little steps. Fit them into bite-sized pieces and lean them sideways like the pages of a book. Now take a cucumber, slice it thinly the same way, and place the slices. Prepare a leafy vegetable. Shape the stem carefully, then slice along its length. Place it in water so it opens up into petal-like layers. Beautiful, isn't it? Now grab a carrot and carve it gently into artistic shapes. With a little patience and precision, we've made a butterfly. Let's place it on a plate with the greens to make it delicious and nice. Lay out mustard green leaves on a plate and shape them nicely. Arrange them in a circle on a smaller plate. The leafy tops go outside, and the stems form a smaller circle in the center. Add some thinly sliced radish to the middle, along with a few carefully prepared carrot pieces. For extra color, carve the carrots into long, delicate strips. Curl one into a flower and place it at the center. Add a bit of purple radish, too, for contrast. You can even carve purple radish into little decorative leaf shapes. What a vibrant, elegant, and truly delicious plate of greens. Do you like this? Give this dish a try. Isn't it just beautiful and so delightful? Take a strawberry stalk and carve patterns into the stem. Then make vertical designs along its body. Drop it in water to let it bloom into a graceful shape. Isn't that curve just lovely? Now slice an onion into thin layers and arrange them into a flower on a plate. Do the same with a tomato. Shape it into a rose. Place all the flowers together into a heart design. Then surround them with cucumber slices. A truly wonderful and artistic dish. Let's keep going with more beautifully decorated vegetables. Start with an onion, slice it into thin rings, and arrange them neatly. Use all the layers to make a blooming onion flower. Place a cherry tomato in the center and add it to your plate. Take a watermelon slice and shape it gently using a stick. Start in the center and carve your way out, removing the excess. Keep sculpting until the design emerges beautifully. See those elegant patterns forming. Get a vegetable with a red stalk. Carve the stem with a blade carefully, remove the top, and continue shaping the lower part. Place it in water to bloom. Now take some radish, slice it thinly, and curl it into a lovely flower. Set the red stalk vegetable on top. What a perfect! Grab a small piece of watermelon and shape it with some fresh greens. First, slice it into thin layers, then divide them into bite-sized pieces. Flip it over and continue slicing as shown. Now take a look. Isn't that a flawless and beautiful? Let's make another stunning and tasty creation. Start by arranging some vegetables at the base and onion slices on top, just like the instructions. Make sure to separate the onion layers first. Now place everything in a round shape on a plate. Take half an orange and begin shaping it. Form smaller segments and arrange them inside the onion circle. The vibrant yellow looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Balance the layout, then bring in a tomato. Slice it into small bite-sized pieces and roll them into a rose. Place it in the center of the plate. Add another ring of orange segments around the tomato flower for depth. Now take a bit of pumpkin, slice it thin, and arrange it as petals around the outer edge of the plate. Keep everything symmetrical and elegant. What's next? Grab some cherry tomatoes, halve them, and place them around the orange in the center. Just look at this fruit and veggie masterpiece. Take a watermelon slice and use a shaping tool to create curved designs along the top. Continue with the bottom, carefully removing the extra parts. Now carve diagonal lines around the back and finish with a beautiful tail section. After clearing the leftovers, you've got a majestic watermelon dragon. place a shrimp on top.